Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel and welcome to Kung Fu Combo. We're going to be taking a look at a couple of moves today where we're working with an advancing opponent. So we're doing traditional style here, so there's going to be big movements, but you can always look at this in more of a sense of tightening things up when we're actually using this in sparring or fighting. So big movement that we'll use here is an inward block. You don't have to think of it as just from an open position like this. That's more of the training style. Think of it as somebody's moving in, we turn into block here. Okay, so that's that waist rotation that we're putting behind it. After that, we're going to look at what we can do to follow up while we're stepping back to change the distance, whether we're going to do a lateral step or a full step back. And of course, we got to do some traditional Kung Fu techniques, so we are going to throw a tiger claw in there. All right, enough said, let's go get to work. All right, so we're going to get this one started off in a horse stance. We're going to use an inward block with our front hand, okay? So very linear here, very sideways. I use this to come across. Then I'm going to bring my back hand up over the top to control and pull my leg out of the way, moving my upper body back. Now, I'm not going to be moving entirely out of the way here because I want to counter. But from this position, maybe I'm just too close to my opponent, so I need to make some space. I need to make enough space. I can drop all the way back, but again, I may have to reach to get the best punch, and that's not something we want. So we're going to take a lateral step. Originally block, come over, lateral step out to the side, and a simultaneous punch to the body. Okay, so there's a lot going on. The waist has to turn as we withdraw that foot and punch. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. Now from here, circle block, big open circle block, and then I'm going to take my backhand tiger claw to the face, and then my other hand is going to come back in a tiger claw so we get lots of extension. Okay. Training, we want that big reach. In practical application, I'm not thinking of trying to hit behind me. In practical application, this could be used as just a regular straight punch. It depends on your context. If you want to throw a tiger claw to the face, that's fine, just keep your guard up. If I'm facing towards you, same thing, block, control. Drop the hip back here, block, control, and then drop back one more time. If you notice, we're not taking big steps back, even from this punch. My circular block, whether I'm trying to block something low, whether I'm trying to redirect or parry something out of the way, I'm not moving any further back than my current back foot. So my body still stays on this line, even though I'm able to get that counterweight to throw into this strike forward and also move myself offline, because the last thing I want is to be an open target for attack. So I get my body on that line again. Okay, so putting it all together, 1, 2, 3, big circle, 4. Okay, so there you have it. Again, I want to stress that when we apply this in combat, you do not have to hit these traditional positions. That's a standardization and a way to remember the form, as also these exaggerated motions are good ways of training. When you don't have resistance bands, when you don't have weights that you can wear, you have exaggerated movements to develop the body. It's just good way of exercise. So practice this one and really pay attention to the idea of distance. When we retreat, it's very typical for people just to move straight back. But if we drop a hip out to the side laterally, we don't move back as far so that we get out of the way of our opponent, and then we can also be at a good distance to counter strike if we need to. Or we can take that full step back, control our position, and then attack from there. So you've got a lot to think about, got a lot to work on. I hope you guys enjoy this one. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.